In this quick Canva tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Canva's AI-powered background generator, a super handy tool that can create custom backgrounds for any of your designs in just seconds. Start by opening a new design or any existing project in Canva. You can use any size. For this example, I'm using a YouTube thumbnail. Drag an image into the design space and make sure to resize it. Now we're ready to use Background Generator to change the background. You'll find the background generator by clicking Edit in the top toolbar and then locating Background Generator in the drop-down menu. If you search for Background Generator under Apps in the left-hand toolbar, you won't find it. What you will find is the Replace Background app, which works in a similar way but doesn't offer the same level of customization or control. Let's head back to Background Generator in the Edit toolbar and click to open the panel on the left side of the screen. You'll see a prompt box that says, Describe a new background. This is where the magic happens. You can also click on the Inspire button to see what Canva generates, and you can always go back and type your own prompt later. Describe the scene, mood, and lighting. And the more specific you are, the better Canva AI is able to bring your vision to life. Click Generate, and Canva will give you 4 AI-created background options. If you like one, just click it. It isn't necessary to remove the background before you generate a new one. Want more options? Click Generate again to see a fresh set of designs. You can also click on the little lighting circle icon to adjust the tone and lighting style of your background. When you're happy with the result, click the purple Done button. These backgrounds are fully editable. If you want to use your design or background outside of Canva, go to the top right of the screen to click Share to download it as a high-resolution image and use it in other projects. And that's it. A fast and easy way to create professional-looking backgrounds using Canva's powerful AI tools. If you found this helpful, go ahead and like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.